Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't progress the quest Readvent of Calamity in Dragon's Dogma 2. And to do this, the thing that I noticed was what was wrong with my quest. I've killed the guy called Martin that was talking with Ulrika, and that seemed to broke the quest, and to fix that we'll need to go to the Vermont, the main city, then approach the graveyard or tomb or however it's called, talk to this guy. You'll also need to get the wake stone, otherwise we won't be able to revive him. So here's the Martin guy, we'll need to revive him with the wake stone, and now we just need to go downstairs and find his coffin. So I found the guy, and also I should have mentioned that the specific coffin that he will be located in will be lighted with the candle. Now we just need to revive him with the wake stone. And now we probably will need to also wait a few days till we get the pawn notification that we should return to Melv, and the quest should progress normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.